Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We are diving into the fascinating world of WordPress. And so let's start with the basics right away. If WordPress is new to you, I'll explain. WordPress is basically a powerful CMS which is used to create and manage websites. In simple terms, it's a platform where you can build your website and manage them just from one place. It's really versatile and it makes it a go-to platform for millions of websites around the world. And for that reason, WordPress websites make up to over 40% of websites on the web. So we are going right into the practical so that you can see how the WordPress interface looks and how it enables you to create and publish content without needing extensive technical knowledge. Now let's take a look at the key features of WordPress. So I'm going to log in into a WordPress interface. So here is a simple WordPress interface that I am logged to. Now the first thing is WordPress offers variety of themes. Now for example, if I open this website, you can see this is just a simple theme. I have not done anything to it. I've just installed that theme and just made a few customizations. And you can see the website is almost done. Themes allow you to basically customize the look and feel of your website from business, personal blogs. There is a theme at least for everyone. Now to find themes, you go to appearance and then you'll have here an option for themes. And as you can see, this is the currently active theme I'm using, but there is a number of themes. So these are themes that are installed. To install a new theme, you click on add new theme. And here you have a variety of theme, depending on what you want to build, which tech stack you want to use, which page builder you want to use. WordPress has a number of themes that you can just choose from. Then the second feature of WordPress is plugins. Plugins, these basically extend the functionality of your website. For example, if I want to add a social media integration to my website, I can use a plugin to do that. If I want to start selling on my website, I can use a plugin for e-commerce on my website. There are so many other plugins. To find plugins, you simply go to the menu and here you find all the plugins here. So these are the plugins that are already installed, and to install a new one, you click on add new plugin and you can pick from all the plugins that you need. There are so many plugins depending on the functionality you want to use. You can browse some popular plugins. As you can see, these are the most popular: Elementor, which is a page builder, contact form for contacts, Yoast SEO to improve your search engine, WooCommerce, classic editor. You see that? So there are so many plugins here. The next feature of WordPress is that it is really user-friendly. Now, when you look at the dashboard of WordPress, you can see it's really simple and easy to navigate. You see all items are on the left-hand side in the menu, so you can just customize this depending on what you want. Your website items are right here on the top. Your user account is right here. You can log in or edit your profile. Now, aside from being user-friendly, WordPress really has a very strong community. WordPress community, you can just go to wordpress.org and right here under community, you can see there is a number of communities and also where you can contribute to WordPress since it's open source. When you go to make.wordpress, you are able to see a number of projects that you can contribute to. You see core, design, mobile accessibility, support, polyglots, documentation, themes, community, etc., etc. Now, how do you get started with WordPress? The first thing is you need to install WordPress. To install WordPress, click on the video above and watch how to install WordPress on your computer. And then you need to be familiar with the dashboard and how to navigate around these items, each of these items, posts, pages, creating pages, comments, managing comments, building your page, and custom templates, etc. So you need to familiarize yourself with the various sections of WordPress. And right before we wrap up, let's go over some of the best practices and tips to make the most out of your WordPress experience. Now, you can see that I have a number of updates. The first thing is regular updates. So you want to make sure that everything on your website is updated. To do that, you simply click on updates. And here you can see everything that needs to be updated. I can simply select all and then click on update plugins. So for WordPress best practices, you need to really update your WordPress regular. This includes updating themes, plugins, and ensure security and access are all to the latest features. Then we have security measures. Make sure that you have a strong security implemented in your WordPress site. The fact that WordPress websites are over 40% of all websites on the web, that means that it is vulnerable to attacks. So make sure that you have passwords, you have backups regularly, and have a reputable security plugin to protect your website. And then we have SEO, or search engine optimization. This basically means that you can improve your site's visibility online by using SEO tools like Yoast. And there you have it. This is a basic introduction to WordPress, whether you're a blogger, a business owner, or someone who is basically just passionate about web development. WordPress provides the tools that you need to create a powerful online presence. And if you found this video helpful, make sure that you subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.